Airshow Center. Captain of a regional airline, and when he's not busy with all this, he teaches aeronautics and spin training with Gray out here sports. Now, they're climbing and they're going to turn around and on.
Worth the wait?
There's 5 airplanes! There's 5 airplanes! How about that, Daddy?
How about it? A little bit later, bud.
How come? You said later an hour ago.